Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, but my other job is a child care provider. So 3 days a week, I'm setting up and tearing down this portable crib by Dream on Me. This Nest has been a great portable crib to use because it is so easy to set up and tear down, and it's nice and sturdy. It also comes with a great carrying case so that I can haul it up and down the stairs. I can set up this crib in less than a minute, and tear down takes about the same amount of time. The sides are nice and sturdy, and they have a hidden button underneath the rail that you have to be able to squeeze to break the sides of the rail down. It's something that is easy enough for an adult to do, but not so much a little one. I like the white mesh sides so that I can see in and be able to check on the little one that's sleeping. I do like that you're able to strap the mat down into the crib. There are Velcro straps or Velcro loops that you attach to the bottom, so you don't have to worry about them pulling up the play mat from the bottom. A lot of times when something comes in a carrying case, I have a really hard time getting it back into the carrying case, but this fits really nicely and I've never struggled to be able to do that. It has gotten a lot of use and I haven't noticed any problems with wear and tear. It looks just as good as the day that I first set it up. This is definitely a great portable crib option if you're in the market for one, and that's my point of view.